video, I'm going to tell you some really effective ways which you can use to make your waist look smaller. We can try to create some illusions which will help us make our waist look smaller than it actually is. So yes, let's get started. Highlighting the shoulder. Now the idea behind this is to attract or grabbing the attention towards the shoulder part. Now if I'm wearing a top hiding my shoulder and then I'm wearing an off-shoulder top, then the off-shoulder top will definitely highlight the shoulder part and it can create the illusion of an hourglass figure, right? You can actually see the figure going from this to this. Okay, wearing an off-shoulder top is definitely going to help you if you want to look sexier or if you want to enhance your hourglass figure. Cinching waist. Cinch your waist and look put together. Now I'm already wearing a dress which is highlighting the smallest part of my waist, but by adding a belt into it, it is enhancing it even more. You know, you can accessorize it in such a way that the belt goes with all of your accessories. Okay, so yes, you can definitely cinch your waist even more to look put together and make your waist appear smaller. Or if you do not want to wear a belt, you can go ahead with a dress which is off shoulder and has an elastic on the waist area. Wearing a true size of bottom is really important. Now you can see my jeans which is little loose from the waist area, and then there is another jeans which is perfectly fitted. Okay, you can clearly see that the jeans that is little loose is definitely not giving me that smaller waist illusion, whereas the jeans which is properly fit is definitely making my waist look smaller. So yes, size matters sometimes. Wear a bottom which gives you a little balloon effect or which is loose, because it will definitely create the illusion as if your hips area is little broad and it's going like this, you know, which will help us in making or creating the illusion that yes, our waist is smaller than it actually is. I am wearing a palazzo with a black sheer top and I have cinched it more, okay, with the help of a belt. It is definitely creating the illusion that my waist is smaller than it actually is. The another way is you can wear a skirt. Pleated skirt is very much in fashion. You can always go ahead with that. Tuck in your top or make a knot or anything so that we can grab the attention towards our waist area, and if it's busy, it's going to look smaller. Okay, so yes, tuck in your top, you can see the difference, or make a knot. It definitely makes your waist look smaller.
Outfits with cutouts in the waist area. If there is a cutout which exposes the smallest part of your waist, then it will naturally show that you have a smaller waist and you don't have to do anything else. As you can see in the video, my waist looks naturally smaller.
Wrap it up. Buy such dresses or tops which has this wrapping belt or which comes along with the wrapping design. You can definitely attract the attention towards your waist area and it can make it look smaller. As you can see, the dress without the wrapping belt and the dress after wrapping belt, okay, it's definitely going to give you that a little bit of balloon image at the bottom and it is going to make your waist appear smaller. Same with the peplum top, but the problem with peplum top is it starts from here, okay, and not the smallest part of our waist. So that's why going ahead with the top which comes along with the wrapping belt is going to help you even more in this case. Now this is the dress that I love wearing, but it did not come up with any of the belt, wrapping belt or any sort of that. So I just used a plain choker and I just wrapped it around. And just look at the way it looks now. It has completely changed the look and my waist looks definitely smaller than before. So these were some of the ways that I have learned in the past. I used to be slimmer, okay, and I never felt this problem. I'm not saying that being fat is wrong, or I'm not body shaming anyone, but honestly, I don't feel confident anymore because I can't style clothes the way I want to, right? That's why I thought of coming up with ways which can, which I can use and make myself confident. Yes, I can wear anything. So yes, I hope these ways are going to help you. Try these out and feel amazing and look amazing. Thank you. Bye bye.